Looking for a free, fast, and secure way to access your PC from anywhere? Meet AnyViewer, your all-in-one remote access and support tool. No account needed. Just download, connect, and go. It works on Windows, iPhone, Android, and Mac. Want to access your computer on the go? Just open the AnyViewer app on your phone, connect to your PC, and start controlling it in seconds. Perfect for checking files, apps, or even offering tech support. Need to control your office or home computer remotely from another PC? With AnyViewer, it's just a few clicks. Log in, enter the device ID, and you're in. You can even set up unattended access for one click. Connections anytime. Remote access and tech support. Fast file transfer. 256-bit end-to-end encryption. Unattended access and privacy mode. Whether you're helping a friend, accessing your work files, or managing systems from anywhere, AnyViewer makes it seamless. Check it out at anyviewer.com. Simple, secure, super easy.